In this video, we're going to solve the integral of e to the 2x all over the square root of 1 minus e to the 4x dx. So just by looking at this, it's not immediately obvious what the answer is. So we're going to need to do either some u-substitution or some integration by parts. So here we see that we have an e to the 2x in the numerator, and in the denominator under the square root we have an e to the 4x. So this makes me think we should try u-substitution by letting u equal e to the 2x. Now what do we know about e to the x in general? Well, it's its own derivative. So let's see what we get if we let u equal e to the 2x. So if u is e to the 2x, then what's du? Du is the derivative of that, so it's going to be the derivative of the exponent, so the derivative of 2x with respect to x is 2. And then the derivative of e to the 2x is e to the 2x, and times 2 dx. So if I want to write this in terms of dx, like isolate dx, this would be dx equals du divided by 2 e to the 2x. Okay, so what does this mean about my original integral? So this e to the 2x over the square root of 1 minus e to the 4x dx becomes the integral of u over the square root of 1 minus e to the 4x. But what is e to the 4x? Well, notice e to the 2x squared is e to the 4x. So the denominator here is 1 minus u squared. Now we have times dx. What is dx? Dx is du over 2 e to the 2x, which is u. So now we have that this u in the numerator and denominator cancel out. We can factor out the 2 from the denominator to the front of the integral, so this becomes 1/2 times the integral of 1 over the square root of 1 minus u squared du. Great. Now let's look at this integral and think for a second. Do you notice anything? Is this integral familiar? So this integral is equal to arc sine of u. So it's probably worth memorizing these integrals that equal trig functions. So this will be 1/2 arc sine of u plus c. Are we done yet? Not quite, because we started off with something in terms of x, and now we ended up with an answer in terms of u, so we just need to plug in what u is. So this is 1/2 arc sine of u, which is e to the 2x plus c. So this here is our final answer. If this video is helpful, feel free to like and subscribe.